Hi and welcome to Graha Veda. In this video, I just wanted to show you how you could get a free Vedic astrology software and install it on the Mac. The name of the software is Jagannatha Hora, and it's by a astrologer by the name of Sri PVR Narasimha Rao. Jagannatha Hora is absolutely free to use. It's an amazing software. A lot of professional astrologers also use it. And it's great to get started in astrology, in Vedic astrology. So to download this software, you need two things. And we are talking specifically about installing this on the Mac. If you are a Windows user, only the first part of this video might be relevant to you. I have made a separate video that introduces you to the software and some preferences that you may want to set before you start using it. I will link to that video at the end of this video as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the website for Jagannatha Hora, which I will link in the description below. It's important to know that this software is completely free, although the creator of this software, Sri PVR Narasimha Rao, recently posted on Facebook saying that some people are trying to sell this software. So just make sure that you're using the right link, which I will link below. And over here also you can see it's vedicastrologer.org. And once you go on this website, you'll come to this free astrology software, and there's a download link over here that you need to click. Once you click the download link, the next thing to do is choose one of these three options, and I recommend that you choose the third one. So there's a red download button here, click on that, and as soon as you do that, it'll give you a pop-up to save the file, and go ahead and save it. After you save it, if you have a Windows machine, double click the file, install it. It should be straightforward. If you have a Mac machine, we'll continue to the next step. So for Mac users, we need another software that can run Jagannatha Hora. And this is a software which can run different Windows applications on the Mac. It's called Crossover. This is a paid software, and they offer a free trial for 14 days, I believe. You can try it and try using Jagannatha Hora on it. And if you like the software, then you can buy it. If this seems very expensive, there is also a completely free solution to install Jagannatha Hora on the Mac, but it's more technical in nature. However, if you need that option, feel free to contact me and I'll be happy to help you install it on your machine. In this video, we are going to go over installing Crossover for Mac and then installing Jagannatha Hora on it. I recommend this because there's a company who's supporting it. You know, if you have any problems, you can reach out to their support team. So it's always better to buy a software like that versus trying to figure out any technical issues that you might run into with free software or open source software, which is the other option I was talking about. Anyway, assuming that you've gone ahead and pressed free trial over here, there's a small form where you have to put in your name, your email address, and then you'll be able to download trial now. You don't need to check into their email, so this is obligatory. You can uncheck it, but still download the trial. And then once it comes on your machine, you double click it to unzip it, and then you should be able to just click the file Crossover, and then it'll install on your Mac. It might ask you if you want to move it to your applications folder, which I recommend that you do. Anyway, once you open Crossover for Mac, it'll look something like this. It tells you and gives you an option to install a Windows application. We don't have Jagannatha Hora in this list. So what you need to do is you need to click this link here on the right hand side. Let me see if I can annotate the link for you because it's really small here. So it's this link over here, install an unlisted application. Click on that link. And once you click on that link, it will take you through a wizard to help you install Jagannatha Hora. So it says that yes, you need to provide the installer file for the application. Go ahead and do that. That is the file that you have downloaded from before for Jagannatha Hora. Remember that if it's a zip file that you get, which I think it is, you'll have to first unzip that file and then pick the file inside it, which is an exe. So hit install here and I'll show you what it looks like. It's asking me to name a bottle. So I will just call this Jagannatha Hora. This software is also known as Hora for short. So you can do whatever you feel like, name it whatever you want. Keep the second option as default. I don't recommend that you change that, and then hit done. It'll take some time, and then it'll ask you to choose the file which you got after you downloaded Jagannatha Hora from the website and extracted it. The name of that file is jhfullinstall.exe. So you have to remember where you downloaded that file because you'll need it in this step. You click on it and hit choose installer, and then it starts installing the application. This takes a short while. I will let it install here, and then I'll come back and show you how you can launch the application. So I just wanted to show you this step, about 50% of the way of this progress bar, you should see a pop-up like this. This is the wizard to install Jagannatha Hora, similar to how you would do it on Windows. You just accept the agreement, leave this as default, hit next, hit install, and it'll go through and it'll install the program on your machine. At the end of this, you will be able to launch Jagannatha Hora. I'll show you how we do that, and then you're ready to start reading charts. So you can keep this, you can uncheck this box, launch Jagannatha Hora, because I want to show you how to do it every time, and just hit finish. So once you do that, this will go through and it'll finish the step. And next time when you open crossover from your applications in Finder, there's an application on the left hand side, right? So you go Finder, there's this applications link on the left hand side, you click on that, and then you should be able to find crossover over here. Double click on that to launch it. You can also drag and drop it down below here so that it's easy to access at a later time. Anyway, once you launch crossover, now you'll see Jagannatha Hora in the list. You can just double click it and then Jagannatha Hora will launch on your screen. So let's wait for that to happen. You'll see down over here, Jagannatha Hora has started loading up. It takes a minute for it to get there, depending on how fast your computer is, and here it is. Next, I'll link to the video from before. You can start setting the preferences according to that, and then you'll be ready to read birth charts. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave comments below. If you want to learn astrology, get in touch. You can also go to my website, grahaveda.com, and get started there with a consultation or check out my courses. Thank you.